Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to predict the future when it comes to trading. Just kidding, you really can't predict the future. All you can do is actually anticipate price levels, and when you anticipate those price levels, what you need to look for when coming out of them. There's two ways to trade price levels as supports or resistance. You either limit order them, or you wait for confirmation. And I'm going to play my morning trade plan video where I absolutely nailed this today's low. So this is in
Today.
advance.
But ideally, I do want to see us get down into my discount zone, which is the 38 of that higher time frame draw. It brings us back the lows of the week. We'll see if we can make that happen here. Other
Okay, so in that video, that was my morning trade plan video. I'm mapping out what I call my discount zone. So my discount zone, the way I put up discount or premium zones is really the level where I'm no longer wanting to in my discount zone take shorts, or ideally I'm looking to go long. And if we come into my premium zone, ideally I want to take a short or definitely eliminate the idea of continuing longs above that. So that level this morning was recorded in my morning trade plan down here at 22,843. Now we had news, of course, there's always a news event that drives you into the price levels, but you have to be able to anticipate these ahead of time. And I'll show you some of the things you could have been aware of as we were coming into that. So volatility had really picked up. There was some headlines related to Jerome Powell, the firing of him, yada yada. And you see these yellow bars, these are average true range expansions. We come down this green line that I talk about in the video this morning, 2 hours before this even traded, 22,843. The low of the day was about 10 points below that in a day that had a like 500 point range. So within 10 points, 500 points is pretty accurate. So there's two ways to trade this. One, you just go ahead and actually limit the zone if you're anticipating that to trade as support. I actually took a short down into that, but once that zone trades, a lot of you guys may be familiar with like some of these concepts, smart money concepts, whatever you want to call them. But really, all you're looking for is price action confirmation. And as we're collapsing in this market, we have fair value gap after fair value gap, and then we trade the premium zone, or sorry, the discount zone from the morning trade plan. We come into that, and what you can do is as soon as we cross back above a fair value gap, that fair value gap goes inverse, and you're going to want to go long above that. And so, had you watched my morning trade plan, paid attention to the levels, and seen this played out, you would have been able to get long, let's say a break above that around 22,874, or you could have limited the actual support level and bid long within 10 points of the low of the day. And then we ended up rallying 400, 500 points really from that level. And that's really the important thing. If you guys are interested, every single morning I make these videos. So if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do subscribe. And if you're interested in jumping in my trade room, I'll drop a link below, but I definitely recommend you check it out. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.